check Carmine's bowel sounds, we're going to use a stethoscope and just place it in different areas around his abdomen, starting at the right lower quadrant, and just move it around. So normal bowel sounds are like a fluid gurgling noise or a clicking noise. If you're hearing very frequent bowel sounds, that could be due to food allergies or diarrhea or Crohn's disease or any other digestion conditions. And if you're hearing very infrequent sounds, that could be from current abdominal surgery. And if you don't hear a sound in 30 seconds around his entire abdomen, then you want to refer that because it could indicate obstruction, hemorrhage, or peritonitis.